This is how I keep track of my success. This is day one, or the last 365 days. Look, my first one, off rip, they unsubscribed. I lost them. You don't give up at that point. You keep going. Check it out. You gain some, you lose some. You gain some, you lose some. You gain some, you lose some. You keep going though. You don't stop. That's the idea behind this. Look, boom. Gain some, gain some. We gained a lot. It's like a little roller coaster.
What about it?
And then look to where we're at now. You know, you will gain. You lose some, you gain. So with that, like and subscribe. Stay tuned. Rozzy Grows.